Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by removing floating debris and testing water chemistry right away. Skim surface, empty skimmer baskets, and backwash or clean filter if it's sluggish. Once done, balance pH to 7, 2.7, 6, and adjust chlorine to 1.3 ppm so sanitizers work efficiently. Start the pump for 8-12 hours. Make sure flow is steady and there's no air in the lines. These first actions prevent algae and reduce mechanical strain on equipment. You now move into regular cleaning and chemical maintenance. Brush all pool surfaces weekly to dislodge biofilm, then vacuum or run an automatic cleaner concurrent with filtration to capture suspended particles. Check and clean filter media every 2-4 weeks and replace cartridges or backwash as needed to maintain turnover. Once weekly, shock the pool after heavy bather loads or rainstorms to oxidize contaminants and keep chlorine effective. This prevents. You finish by establishing a simple routine and a quick troubleshooting plan. Keep a log of test results and adjustments so you can spot trends and avoid overcorrection. Inspect equipment monthly, check seals, hoses, and pump baskets, and replace worn parts to prevent leaks and suction loss. If water becomes cloudy or green, test for combined chlorine and signs of algae, then shock at higher dose, brush surfaces thoroughly, and run filtration continuously until clear. That approach restores clarity and prevents recurrence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.